Welcome to the Cruxverse headlines of 19 February 2026. India AI Impact Summit is continuing at the Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi, with the theme Sarvajan Hitay Sarvajan Sukhay. Delhi Declaration adopted, a pivotal moment in global tech governance as world leaders formally adopted the Delhi Declaration outlining a framework for safe, trusted, and responsible AI. When we talk about menstrual health as a fundamental right, the Supreme Court in Dr. Jaya Thakur versus Government of India officially recognized menstrual health and hygiene as a fundamental right under Article 21, Right to Life and Dignity. India France Special Global Strategic Partnership, PM Modi and President Emmanuel Macron elevated bilateral ties to a special global strategic partnership. Key outcome a 10-year defense cooperation renewal and a MOU between BALE and Safran to manufacture Hammer missiles in India. Japan's leadership, Sane Takichi, has been officially reappointed as the Prime Minister of Japan following a decisive win in snap elections. West Bank condemnation. India joined over 100 countries in a UN statement condemning actions in the West Bank, signaling a firm stance on international humanitarian law. When we talk about economy and infrastructure, B corridors on national NHAI launched a unique ecological initiative to develop pollinator bee corridors along highways to support biodiversity and local agriculture. The Union Cabinet approved a Rs 1 lakh crore fund to transform cities into growth hubs, providing 25% of project cost for creative urban redevelopment. Silchar Sairang Rail Link, a major boost for northeast connectivity as the passenger train service to Mizoram is set to commence on February the 20th. Kuno National Park milestone. The cheetah population has risen to 38 following the birth of 3 new cubs. National Biobank for LSD, India's first government-supported biobank for lysosomal storage disorders, was launched at the Institute of Human Genetics in Ahmedabad. The state has surpassed 1 gigawatt of installed solar energy capacity when we talk about the state of Uttarakhand. The National Green Tribunal (NGT) Kolkata bench ruled that environmental safeguards are in place for the controversial project, allowing it to proceed. When we talk about sports and culture, Ranji Trophy history, the Jammu and Kashmir cricket team has scripted history by reaching the first ever Ranji Trophy final. 2,300-year-old rock art, ancient rock paintings were identified at Kumitipati in Coimbatore. Experts are arguing for immediate protection under the ASI.